There. Now, which ornament does Adi want?
Santa.
Santa? Let me see. Now, you have to ask me.
Can I put it? Adi, put it there.
Take the tape out from behind. The tape lagan vachika.
Help me.
Here, take this. It's the same thing. Yeah. Put it.
There.
ইশারা করে বলছো তুই হ্যাঁ আমাকে বলিস না কিছু Now what do you want to put, Adi? What do you want to put? Yes?
Adi, put it there.
After that, you put it, Adi.
Now see to put it, Didi. Oopsie. Want some help? Yes. Oops. I think you should put it somewhere here. Put it here. Here. There. Now go to Mama, Didi.
What can we put, Aditya? You have to ask me, Mama.
Mama.
You have to ask me. What should you ask? I'm waiting for someone to ask me. I'm waiting for someone to ask. I'm waiting for someone to ask me. I'm waiting for someone to ask me.
Do you want this?
Said, Mama, shall I put it on?
I'll put it on.
Put it on the tree.
It's Peter Sam.
Put it on the tree.
Choo 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 choo. Put it there. Choo choo. That's okay. Put it here. Then. Yes.
Wow.
Looks so good. Now go to
Come
Mama.
on. What next, Adi? What next? What next? What next do you want?
I heard it.
Put this. Go and put this first. Go and put this.
Adi,
You have to ask Didi.
Didi will put it here. There.
Points it should.
That's my person.
You have to put it, Adi.
Up. Not there.
Okay, you can put it lower. Yeah.
Please.
Say, you say. What shall you say?
Help me.
Yes.